Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today in my video we are going to talk about the Google Mail. I will be presenting to you how you can use Google Mail for doing all your messaging activities. Google Mail, also called Gmail, is a free mail service which is provided by Google, and it allows you to send, receive, and store electronic message over the internet. The most basic key features which is common with Gmail are things like email communication. Here you can be in position to send text messages, you can send files, images, and documents to other people. Gmail has a cloud storage, and in the cloud storage, emails are actually stored online, so you can access them from any form of devices from whatever place you may find yourself in, provided there is an access to internet. There is a part in Gmail which is called spam filtering. So spam filtering helps you to automatically sieve out messages or mails which are not meant for you, or maybe emails which are harmful. And there is a Google account integration. So Gmail is integrated or connected to other Google services like Google Drive, Google Documents, YouTube, and Google Meet, and so forth. You may be interested in looking for emails which have gotten lost. Yeah, Gmail provides you with what we call search function. So using the search function, you can look for the previous emails or previous messages which have passed, and you can be in position to use them if you really wish to do so. So let us see how you can now be in position to manipulate this Gmail. So you come here and then you click. So when you click, you come to Gmail and then you click on it. So the moment you click on this, then a page or a template will open, and now you can be in position to manipulate this page, and then you send your messages just the way you like. So when you look here, this is how the template looks like. This is actually my Gmail, the Gmail that I always use for my own personal use. So there are options here. So when you come here, if you want to compose an email, you come here and click here. So the moment you click here, a new page will open for you where you can be in position to compose an email or a message which you want to send. There are so many other options. The options, this one where you can see the inbox, this one when you open, you'll be in position to access all the emails which have ever been sent to you. You can see this sent. This give you information about all the emails which at least you have sent, and the spam, the messages which seems not to be meant for you, or maybe they are harmful to you, always come to spam, the spam side. Then there is trash. So the moment you delete message from Gmail, it is stored in trash straight away. So now we are going to move ahead and see how we can compose an email. So if you want to compose an email, you come to this option of compose and then you click. So the moment you click, this is what will be displayed. So here it is indicating a new message. We want to start working on a new message. So when you're working on a new message, you need to have an email of the person you want to send the email to. So that is where this one is indicating. So you want to send the email to a particular email. Let's say I want to send this email to Emmanuel Odu. So I come and select the email which I want to send the information or maybe my message to. Then you put the subject. Maybe an inquiry concerning the stock I supplied. So the subject is always the reference or the title of the message you want to send. So after doing that, you now come to the main body of the message which you are interested in now in sending. So here you come here and then using the appropriate wordings and then the terms of communications, then you can be in position to compose an email. So let's say, hello, I hope this mail finds you well. So in most cases, that is how you start composing an email. So the moment you finish composing all your email, you can send. So when you come to this, then you click send, the message will be sent. Or maybe you would want to attach certain forms of documents, so you can come to attach files, this sign here, and you click to it. So the moment you click to it, this will redirect you to other folders in your computer. When you go there, you'll be in position to select the file which you want to select, and then you upload it on your email, and then you send it together with the message that you would have composed. Sometimes you may be interested in inserting your email signature, so you come here and then you compose your signature, and then you can be in position to send the email. Briefly, this is how you can be in position to manipulate the Gmail and use it for sending the emails or sending messages to your colleagues. And another thing which I want to say is that email is intercontinental. You can send email to other continents freely with a lot of ease without much cost. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go to the subscription button and then you click subscribe, and thank you for watching.